Hello friends, in this video I am going to talk about what is meant by bull and bear in a stock market. So these two terms, bull and bear, you would have come across very frequently in the stock market situations. Okay, so a lot of people use these terms very frequently, that the stock market is in a bull run, or the stock market is very bullish, or the stock market is now very bearish. What is meant by this bull and bear? Okay, so if you see, bull means the stock market is going upwards. That is, when the share prices are increasing, it is known as bull market or bull run. Why is it known as bull market? Because if you take the animal bull, if you take the bull animal, when it attacks its opponents, it goes and attacks its opponents through its horns. Okay, it goes and attacks its opponents through its horns and then lifts its opponent into the air and tosses the opponents into the air through its horns. Okay, since the bull tosses its opponents into the air, so that is why the same analogy has been used in the share market, that when the prices are going up, it is referred as bull market. Okay, so whenever stock price goes up, it is known as bull market because of the bull animal which attacks its opponent by tossing up into the air. Now, bear means, if you take the animal bear, well, bear market basically means the prices are going down when the stock market is crashing. That is known as bear market. And again, you have to take to the analogy or reference of the bear animal. Okay, so the bear animal, if you see, how does it attack its opponents? At the time of attacking its opponents, it goes and through its paws and legs brings the opponent down by hitting the opponent through its paws and legs and attacks the opponents down to the ground. So since it is bringing the opponent down to the ground, similarly when the stock market is going down, stock market is crashing, it is referred as bear market because the prices are going down. Okay, so I hope after this video you understand what is meant by bull market and bear market. Thank you.